Hello guys and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we're going to be learning how you can save your Instagram story into your gallery. But before getting started, remember to support our channel, hit the like button, subscribe and turn on your notification bell so that you get notified every time we post a new video. Without further ado, let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your mobile, then tap on the plus icon that appears on the top left corner of your screen on your profile picture. After that, select an image that you'd like to put on your story. After that, you tap on your story. If you want to edit it out, you can edit it out. Now tap on your story that appears on the bottom left of your screen. After your story has been posted, tap on the three dotted icon that appears on the bottom right corner. Then tap on story settings, which is the last option in the list. Then scroll down. You'll be able to see in the saving section an option that reads save story to gallery. Toggle this switch so that saving story to gallery is enabled. If it is already enabled and it's not saving, then what you might need to do is turn it off and then turn it on again so that this story will be automatically saved to your phone's gallery. Now that this option is enabled, this story will be automatically saved to my gallery and I can repost it wherever I want. I hope this video was useful. If you have any issues, let us know in the comments down below, and thanks for watching.